your spacious living room. The kitchen also comes with an L-shaped granite table, but this being the master bedroom, it deserves a little extra. Hello everybody and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the sample flat video of Diamond Prism City Blue, which is located in Charoli, constructed by Diamond Builders and Developers. In today's video, I will tell you everything about the project and also show you the sample flat. But before that, let me tell you something about Housey. Well, Housey is India's first ever online platform wherein the listing is done directly by the developers. That means you get connected directly with the developer and there are no middlemen. So unlike other online platforms, your number does not get shared with multiple brokers. Rather, we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you transparent pricing, complete information, and also genuine home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Quickly connect with us to know all the details about every project. It's very simple. Register for free with Housey today. And now let's also move ahead with this project and let me tell you more details about it. Now let's understand the project with the help of the 3D model. The project is going to be constructed on a 5-acre land parcel which will have 6 towers with 2 basement plus ground plus 27 floors, having 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs, 4 BHK duplex and 5 BHK premium residences. As you can see, I am standing right outside the sales office of the project and this is located at Charoli. This is a road that connects directly to Apex International School and this is the road that connects to Indrayani River. Talking about the connectivity, from this location, MIT Alandi is just about 2.7 kilometers, the Charoli bus stop is just about 1.9 kilometers and Reliance S-Mart is just about 1.9 kilometers. Now let's understand the amenities. The project is going to have 40 plus amenities like of swimming pool, clubhouse, kids pool, half basketball court, tennis courts and many more. This is the 3 BHK flat which is of 1165 square feet. Let's take a look at it. Before we go inside, I have to tell you, this Angan area comes along with every flat. So you get this exclusive place for your own house despite being outside. Let's go inside now. Right at the entrance, you get this door which comes with a digital door lock which can be operated with the fingerprint and with the digital key as well. Once we enter, there is yet another foyer area which can be used for a nice sit out also. And now let's come inside the house. This is going to be your spacious living room that comes with a balcony right over here. Now the balcony comes with these anti-skid flooring and also is covered from 3 sides. It also comes with a toughened glass railing right over here. And this living room also has an attached dining area which is in an L shape that does not disturb your living space. This over here is the dining area which is easily connected to your kitchen for serving access as well. Now the kitchen also does not have a regular door. It is pretty spacious over here so that there is ease of access, and the kitchen also comes with an L-shaped granite table over here which also helps in keeping your microwaves in place and your gas in place. Comes with electric sockets everywhere for your mixers, grinders, everything. This over here is your dry balcony. Well, this is an enclosed dry balcony that also comes with a 3 mm tile drop to separate the wet and dry areas, and this flooring is anti-skid. It comes with a window so that your kitchen stays well lit and well ventilated at all times. Now, I was talking about the 3 bedrooms in this house. So this is a butterfly shaped house wherein the guest bedroom is on one end and the rest of the bedrooms are on the other end. First, let's take a look at the guest bedroom. Right over here is the guest bedroom. This bedroom comes with an attached toilet and bath, which has anti-skid flooring, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. Now, these kind of windows are something that are absolutely amazing. The reason is not just because it is a big window, it is also because the lower part is fixed despite being transparent, so there is enough light, and this gives you the feel of a standing balcony as well, with complete ventilation, and the window comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Right over here is your kids' bedroom and common toilet and bath. This is the common toilet and bath, which comes with a wash basin outside, and the tiles of the flooring of the washroom are anti-skid and come with wall-to-wall vitrified tiles with space and provision for your water heaters as well, and standard CP sanitary fittings. This is the kids' bedroom. Again, with the same special window that I told you about, with a standing balcony kind of a feature, complete glass partitions, and with pre-fitted mosquito nets as well. Before we move into the master bedroom, let me tell you a little more about Housey over here. Housey not just does sample flat videos, but along with that, we also provide you with project overview videos, with 360-degree tours, with location tours, with the pros and cons, and also with the EMI details. So if you need to know anything, Housey is right here for you. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today on Housey and follow me into the master bedroom right over here. Usually in the master bedrooms, just like we saw in the guest bedroom, that the washroom was right at the beginning of the house. But this being the master bedroom, it deserves a little extra. Come inside, let me show you the little extra that's right over here. This is your walk-in wardrobe space and then your master toilet. Let's take a look at this one. This also comes with anti-skid flooring, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and CP sanitary fittings. So everyone, this was a sample flat video of Diamond Prism City Blue, which is located in Charoli and developed by Diamond Builders and Developers. Stay tuned for more such videos and do not forget to like, comment and share on this video. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.